In this video, we'll describe how you can define advanced image styling to create interesting effects for the way images are displayed. So you can see here we have a UX component that's got three controls. It's got two lists and an image, and the image appears to be floating on top of the first list. So let's go and first turn off this advanced image styling so we can see what it looked like before we applied any advanced styling. So we'll go there and turn crop images off and go back now and run this, and now we see the standard layout. We see the first control, which is the list, the second control, which is the image, and then the third control, which is the second list. So we'll go back now and we'll turn cropping back on again. We'll say we'd like to crop it as a circle. We'd like the circle size to be 300 pixels. We want the circle to have a border that is 20 pixels wide, and we'll go here and choose the border color. So let's go and choose that green color now as our border color. We can choose a shadow. We can specify that the image should be centered or left or right aligned, and then we can specify a vertical offset. So this minus 300 pixels is going to move the image on top of the control that precedes it, and then we've said that the image floats, which means that the image doesn't take up any space in the layout. So the control above it and the control below it appear next to each other. So let's go ahead now and run this. And we can see now we have our image has been positioned above the first control. It now has this green border. It's got a little shadow around it, and it's 300 pixels in size. So if we had specified a rectangular size, then the size property would define the image's width, and the height would be inferred automatically based on the image dimensions. And a square image would of course use the size property for both the width and the height. So what we've shown here is how you can create interesting visual displays for images using advanced image styling. Thanks very much.